Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today's recipe is a quick fix tiramisu, and yes, an eggless one. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. First step in making a tiramisu is I've got some warm water. To that I'm going to add some coffee. Instant coffee is what I'm using to make a coffee concoction. I keep my coffee concoction aside. In a bowl, I'm going to add my mascarpone cheese. To this, I'm going to add some powdered sugar. You can even whisk this up to ensure there are no lumps. So my mascarpone and sugar mix is lump free. To this, I'm just going to add a little of my coffee concoction. And some whipped cream. And I'm just going to give this a quick light mix. We're just going to fold it in lightly because we don't want our cream getting deflated. I'm going to take a bowl in which I need to serve my tiramisu, preferably a transparent bowl. I've got some ready sponge. I'm using vanilla sponge. You can either make it into pieces or you can crumble it the way I have. I'm adding this to the bottom of my bowl, spreading it out nicely. And soaking this with my coffee concoction. We need to soak the sponge well. If you like to add some alcohol to your tiramisu, you could add in some dark rum into your coffee and add it here. So my sponge has been layered in my bowl, soaked with the coffee concoction. To this, I'm just going to top my mascarpone cream and cheese mix. I'm just topping this with my mascarpone and whipped cream mix and spreading it out nicely. You could even do this with a piping bag if that's easier for you. To garnish my tiramisu, I've got some cocoa powder, and through a sieve, our quick fix tiramisu is ready. Serve this chilled and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe.